Welcome everybody. This is your teacher Julian Marin Hoyos, and today we're going to solve Martes de Prueba number 8 for the 9th grade. Thank you very much for watching. We're going to start sharing my screen. So we could see what kind of exercise is going to be presented to us on this occasion. You know that in Prueba Saber 11, you will find different kinds of exercises, some of them representing different levels of challenges, right? So over here, what we have essentially is vocabulary. We need to understand the concepts in order to choose the correct or most appropriate answer, okay? So over here in questions number 21 and 22, we have the case that some tags or some labels are presented to us, and then we need to choose where we most likely are going to find this. So over here we got in 21, first one, patients admissions. Okay, so where can we find this specific label or tag? So we have three options in this case. A, in an emergency room. Okay, seems logical. In an emergency room, this is in a hospital or a clinic where patients arrive, right? And they need to receive medical assistance. So this is a very good option. Now, B, under a cash machine. So normally, we don't really look under cash machine. We're looking at front. Plus, cash machines are automated. So I mean, we're not going to be treated as patients there. We are just users, right, of a bank, for example. C, in a police station lounge. In a police station lounge, if you're there waiting for someone or you are the detainee, so you're not going to be treated as a patient. You're just a citizen who's there for a different reason, not to receive any kind of medical treatment. So over here, A would be the correct option. Let's see question 22. Start, stop. Okay, so let's evaluate the options. A, at the schoolyard. Okay, now at the schoolyard, what you do is go and play. Students in the context of school education, so that's where the students get out. Once they get out on recess, they get out from the classrooms, that's where they go and play. So this doesn't seem like a logical move. In a modern car, okay, this seems like a good option because modern cars actually don't use the keys to be turned with the intention to start the engine on. Nowadays, it's a matter of just pushing a button that says actually start or stop with the same button, right? And so we already canceled A. We're evaluating B and C. Now, C, on the top of a fridge. Now, the refrigerators normally start functioning or running when you just plug them, right? When they are connected to the electricity is when they start working. You're not going to give it a command of start or stop. So this one will be canceled too, leaving only B as the most likely correct answer. Okay, so over here we got 21 and 22. Now let's erase this one so we can move to the bottom of the screen. Let me see over here. Yeah, we need to erase this so we don't become confused. Very good. So over here, we got questions 23, 24, and 25. In that, the instructions, what they say is that the four options A, B, C, and D will be for the three questions, right? So this is just essentially a matching exercise in which we have a description on the left, and then we have a concept or a word on the right that we need to match. So over here, let's see the options. It says gymnastics, mathematics, science, and philosophy. What are these disciplines have in common? These disciplines in fact, have in common that they could perfectly be subjects in a school curriculum, right? So let's evaluate the questions. Question 23. In this subject, there you have it. We're talking about academic subjects in an educational institution. So in this subject, you can learn about how your body works. Okay, so talking about the body, maybe not mathematics, maybe not philosophy. So we got two options, gymnastics and science. So let's evaluate the other options. 24. In this class, you increase your flexibility and strength. So this one sounds more likely to be gymnastics. But before we make a decision, let's read number 25. In this subject, you analyze human behavior and the mind. There are the options, okay? So from all the options, human behavior and the mind, this is talking about philosophy. The first one, in this subject, you learn about how your body works. Over here, we're talking about science, more specifically about biology, right? And anatomy and physiology, most likely. And then 24, in this class, you increase your flexibility. This will be gymnastics. So I hope the explanation and options are clear to all of us. And with this, we are finishing today's review of Martes de Prueba for 9th grade, Martes de Prueba number 8. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to click on like and subscribe. Thank you very much.